Hey guys, today I'm going to make a disc sander from a table saw. Sorry for the lack of sound. When I was recording, they had a little festival going on at the church over there, and they had a lot of music going, and I didn't want to get hit with a copyright, so I just muted the sound, and I'll narrate this one for you. Here I'm going to draw a disc on a piece of MDF. I don't know why, but I thought that I was going to use a 12-inch disc instead of a 10-inch disc, and I'm drawing out 12-inch discs. As you'll see, I end up making two of them, but only really need one, so I'm going to end up wasting a piece of MDF for that. Hopefully I can use it for something else later. Here I stick a screw in the middle of the circle so I can use it as kind of like a compass to draw the circle. If I can get stuff out of my way. I should have shortened the stick in hindsight, but I wasn't sure if I'd ever use it for anything else. Here you see I'm trying to draw the second circle. And the line crosses over the first. Now, being that the board was 24 inches wide, you would have thought I would have been able to get two circles 12 inches in diameter, but somehow it didn't work out that way. Here I cut out the first circle, end up cutting both of them out. And this one's the one out of the new sheet. They were 2x2 sheets that I had gotten from Lowe's. And there's both of them after I cut them out. I'm getting ready to drill the hole. Here I removed the saw blade from the table saw. Those left-handed threads, boy, they get you every time. Yep, that's a 10-inch blade. Oh no, it's not going to fit. It actually would fit in the hole, but where the arbor is, after I put the hole in the middle of the disc, it would not fit. Okay, here I drill the hole. You see I'm using one of those multi-level bits. Sorry about the battery getting in the way. You see the piece of tape? That's so I know where to stop. I drill down to the tape, stop, flip it over, drill down to the tape on the other side. That's 5/8, by the way. This is an old Ryobi table saw that I got for a trade a long time ago. And I don't have the blade guard there, as you can see. That's probably going to be something I work on later, is building one for this. Here I put the disc in and give it a try. Put the washer and the nut on. Again, those left-handed threads, they get you every time. Okay, here we have it installed. I start it and I grab my file and rub it against the disc to even it out and make sure that it's square. See, I'm rubbing it back and forth to make sure it's square after I've got it even. It's not bouncing anymore, so it's pretty good. MDF is a really good material. It's nice and soft and easy to work with, as you can see here. I could have used sandpaper, or in some cases people might use lathe tools for turning, but I didn't need to. Here I applied a piece of 80 grit disc sanding paper. Get those left-handed threads started again. You can see how old this table saw is. It has cobwebs on the inside because I've never really used it. I actually got 2 of these table saws for like 50 bucks from a friend of mine. Neither one came with a guard or a rip fence. The other one I was able to find a rip fence and a guard on eBay, so I got those and I use it now. Here you can see I'm testing it. That paper just goes right through that paint stick. That balsa wood's soft. We'll give it a try with a piece of steel here. Try and square up that uneven cut. See the sparks flying there. I really shouldn't do that. That's dangerous, but no guard, you know. So I have an idea. I'm going to stick a piece of paper on the other side. After removing it and applying the 60 grit to the other side, have 80 grit on this side, why not? Turn it on and watch the sparks fly. And I'm not even pushing hard. And I have to say, this was a fun project. I enjoyed doing it. I've seen other people on YouTube do this. As you can see, this table saw has a sliding deck right there for cutting miters and stuff. And I can use that if I so choose, or I can screw it down. So if you need a disc sander, this is the way to go. Easy and good to go. So like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.